Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to take a generic GoPro accessory pack and make yourself a belt clip and portable microphone stand for a Zoom H1. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the kit that I bought from Amazon. It's pretty generic. I've topped mine up with a bit more various accessories, but you open it up, you can see there's an absolute plethora of different ways to connect your GoPro. We have a sticker mount. I believe that's a belt clip mount. You've got a chest harness up here. But the interesting ones that you're going to use, just shut it over and move this across. And move to the one I prepared earlier, is the belt clip. Obviously a screw, a tripod mount, and of course a GoPro foot. So take your belt clip, and you're going to want this to slide down and in, and take your tripod mount, place that correctly in, and then screw it down. Then take your Zoom H1, tighten that up, and then when it gets to about there, you'll have to watch what you're doing in order to make sure it's sitting the correct way. That's just slightly off, but that's enough. And there we go. You can now get it in. Just move the camera a little bit over here. As you can see, if I just lean into the camera, it's now clipped on my pocket, and you'll be able to get a better view over here. Yeah. So it's now clipped onto my pocket. The advantage of doing this is that you can also still access your line in, you can still access your line out, and if need be, you just have to loosen this slightly and you can have it as a repositionable mic stand. So there you go. That's how to use some simple cheap GoPro accessories to make a belt clip and portable mount for your Zoom H1. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.